Summer blooming bulbs add color, fragrance, and drama to the garden. Many make ideal bouquets with strong stems and long-lasting blooms. Unlike annuals that last for only a season, numerous summer bulbs are perennial, and others can be overwintered inside and replanted the following year. Here are some of the best summer bulbs for the cutting garden. Dahlias come in an extraordinary range of forms and sizes, ranging from 1 to 7 feet. They bloom from midsummer straight through to frost and make excellent long-lasting cut flowers on sturdy stems. Dahlia tubers multiply over time, giving you more plants. Dig them up at the end of the season, store them in peat moss in a cool, dark place, and replant them next season to keep the show going. Gladiolus are another dramatic flower for long-lasting bouquets. Plant some every couple of weeks through the midsummer and you'll enjoy a succession of bloom. Like dahlias, they can be dug up at the end of the season and stored in a cool, dark place for replanting the following year. Calla lilies, elegant trumpet-shaped flowers, offer another easy option for cutting gardens. Give them consistent moisture, but don't overwater. They last up to 2 weeks in bouquets. In growing areas 6 or colder, they should be dug up after frost and replanted the following year. In warmer areas, they can be left in the ground. Few flowers are as magnificent as Asiatic and Oriental lilies. Asiatic lilies, which bloom first, grow on upright stems that range from 2 to 5 feet, sometimes even more. Their vibrant colors and easy care make them a gardener's delight. What's more, you can leave them in the ground over winter and they'll bloom again next year. Oriental lilies bloom in late summer and have the added bonus of delightful fragrance and enormous flowers. They tend to grow taller than Asiatic lilies and may need staking. Allium, sometimes known as ornamental onion, comes in a variety of sizes and colors and makes a superb cut flower, fresh or dried. They can stay in the ground year-round and will gradually multiply over time. Finally, consider liatris, an upright spike of purple, pink, or white flowers. These late summer flowering beauties bloom from the top down and can be left in the ground year-round. All these carefree bulbs generally prefer sun, but most will tolerate less than perfect conditions. They're low maintenance, but one word of caution. With the exception of allium, deer like them as nearly as much as people do. Thankfully, there's an easy fix for that: bouquets. When planting, dip the bulbs or tubers in bouquets R concentrate. The link below shows you how. Once the plants emerge, protect them with bouquets deer repellent, rated #1 in independent studies. That's all there is to it. Add some of these to your garden and you'll be enjoying gorgeous bouquets all summer long. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.